Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to easily install and set up your UniFi UNAS Pro. It's quick, it's simple, let's get started. First, unbox the UniFi UNAS Pro and make sure all components are included. You should have the UNAS Pro, power cable, and Ethernet cable. Now, let's connect the power cable and the Ethernet cable. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into the back of the UNAS Pro and the other end into your router. Once everything's connected, press the power button to turn on the UniFi UNAS Pro. Next, head over to the Ubiquiti website and download the UniFi controller software. This will help you manage your UNAS Pro. Install the UniFi controller software like any other program, just follow the on-screen prompts. Open the UniFi controller software, and you'll be guided through a setup wizard. It's super straightforward. When the software detects your UniFi UNAS Pro, click Adopt to connect the device to your network. Now, you can customize your network settings and configure the device based on your preferences. Once you've configured everything, hit Save, and you're all set. Your UniFi UNAS Pro should now be up and running. That's it. Your UniFi UNAS Pro is installed and ready to go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.